I feel caught. You better was some mama. I feel caught. I feel caught. I feel caught. Penny never for the be to me, but I feel caught. I feel caught. I feel caught. You better was some mama. I feel caught. I feel caught. I feel caught. Penny never for the be to me, but I feel caught. Say up, can it? I feel caught. I feel caught. You better was some mama. I feel caught. I feel caught. Penny never for the be to me, but I feel caught. I feel caught. I feel caught.
Why do you need my wife? I don't know. What's the culture? Some ramen. I never been here. Oh, I can't get anything. Or could you or have phone so? Can't pass some was there someone with that place. AKA Begum. And you're for say a beginner. Continue. It will be now. Continue. What do you have a massive waffle? Why should waffle? Mamma, you will be in 20. I know you mean you. You will be in 20. Continue. Show you power. Any back on your mouth. You may say, you will be in 20. Maybe I made a man who saw Piao. What in a Piao? Continue. Until when your mom, dear mom, you have a in it. What does you? Naturally, so bien. What's up for fasting? Over fasting about the 93 is obitry. Now, what you say, Fita is obitry. Therefore, don't care. No, a damn who son and our born what day a damn if I won't put much in a metal yelling. Ah, he said, yes, what Benham. Nana, what's so? Nana, hey, if you don't know what dear you are wanting, never said you were some more about Bobbina. Who dare some of you how would you come? What? Minimum penny for you or your 4 months much I yet to rain or Banabus and where we was in baby. Send us only a lamb. I don't know. I can't who been for him. Nana, Judy, what on ties? Children, to look the ties. Exactly. Car will clear friends and Honda Santa, what on the ties? Precisely. Jaguar, what on the ties? Not 2 ways about that. A Bobo Yana, what on it? It's a tragedy. The wall pass. Yo, Benoni for Madame Mumflay here. Blood to him, fear Nana Mumflay here. Hey, woman, yet the big eye. Now, Gruntiana, dear. Grunty, a doma tree now will be any Joe, said you in Casa. Now, Sabi, just some class independent, you won't be. And Pessin, Ukulano ye dear, and I believe be our bayam from so said, or not, or no, Sabi, where won't your foot to. But the name did ya. I do have Samino, me back on who told you to know. I'm saying about Pedia. Me, great to Abusia, Madama, Nano, Master and then Subim. And there, the parkers here, Nanko said, Madama. Ubia kwa haso ana haban so a no obedru fia nko so onche na home and so therefore say there be sabe party ntoma no mfra bi metnase na yindi ahimfie nsem ba ko mienu miensa bi nsa ne be so so a yeso na no endatie ya keka ya koka sabe okika kofuna ni ase ohun nsa ma me da se konti na no Yahoo Saman said that Conti Crime. A didn't call Parliament. You call Parliament? Ah, no, she paid your fee. A half one and a DB. Now, the Tiana said, a boshe and Sabi, a crochet bacobo. Now, a mulanti went to me and so. Castle
from the meetings.
I go to the Atuma constituency. I want to see.
Yeah, go to the good now. You hear no man.
Krache! A friend say
David, Kofi David, one. Don't friend Azozo.
Krache!
We had notice a stop.
Sir?
Nipa ne nice as try no wasem.
Yeah.
O dwunu tru na o dwunu obi na. Wo de ya de.
Ana fra ayo so
Akwaba.
Yeah, you so avema.
Akwaba.
Thank you.
Okay. O ye de ni.
Sunana Isufu Abdul Aziz.
Take it.
Man mo ho.
Canada.
Yes.
Enkasa, why?
Magara.
You said no better.
Honorable. Honorable.
Adonai.
Which my water young
We
man.
will say no to the beer on home.
It's not water young man. We work hello.
I'll tell you.
We are the what was smart at it?
We are I want your call.
Over coming in and all lose with your floor and your hand now, then to us. But
Nan Mamma Nashi.
Yeah, free.
Yeah, good look.
Bafo, Emu Akwaba. Constituency Ben and now on.
But your Ojadim
Constituency, I watch Macon.
Madaro.
Unya how many years one Korean son
Nana me 8 years.
Hey!
and now free soon. 2 years on and then I'll free soon.
Nana ASMP. One my consistency no. Say me on situ American.
No.
Yo!
That's it. Emu Akwaba. Udin Edise.
Nana Mpacho Frame Honorable Mustafa Bempa. Former MP Ojadim
Constituency. Papa, you said your name is
Abdul Aziz Isufu.
age,
33 years.
house number,
15th Street, Ejedem constituency.
mother,
Late.
father.
Late.
Okay. Aha wa bedru no. Wo de wano asem ebetudwa. Na mpanyimfo abobo ho. De wo se yeye ma ni yaye. Na kan hu se ebetie mu mienu nyina mu asem nya se won ko na wo beka. Ni ade ma se fako. Enya ne tawe wa di kan fa show trim what you say?
Martina.
Medase. Come asem.
I'm the constituency organizer for the former member of parliament.
You.
The government have an intervention of taking party loyalists to Mecca. They have made some arrangement to take some party loyalists to Mecca. And and being a constituency organizer for my former member of parliament, I have paid my dues. I have worked well. He has been in parliament for two terms, which is 8 years.
Yeah.
And unfortunately for him, he lost because things didn't go well the recent election.
Yeah, I have a tree be flat why nya ba.
Aban no wo hihihemu a omode ebimuko Mecca.
And they are to
Musumi for no. Enti me me passport ekoma honorable. Say onhwe na ne bo me na me so nya
Go Mecca.
That's it. Yeah. The man passport no honorable ati passport no maintain cambio. Yeah, woman, my friend honorable say me passport ayera. Enti obese send me mobile money 100 Ghana cedi. Na my top passport form. Na wa share ama abua me ama manya passport for. Since that day till now, that 100 Ghana cedi has never come. Intimate to whom anamo eko ya me passport. Intimate ko ya passport no a car be dem here 2,000 Ghana cedis. Into me truck crata ama honorable office. Say
2,000 Ghana cedis. At is
20 million.
20 million.
Everything I hear. Sir,
We don't hear anything. Express.
Express.
We require quick.
Into me truck crata ama honorable office. Say me passport na me sanka no ma yabi. Into a car be dem ni into onfa so na twa me sika ma. Na honorable say on trust as can. Na yes as can I the passport. Na me say to say yes am kwa dia pay for ho na me dey ba ahimfie. Say mun di ma say ma me.
Na usanka sika.
Musanka misika.
One way see.
No.
Honorable. Either you are ex-honorable or you are sitting honorable. I have to give you your respect. Honorable. You say your name is
Honorable Mustafa Bempa.
At your field,
Yeah.
how do you explain yourself to have a rightful interventions due to our process?
Nana and his elders, I greet you. What this young man is saying today, Nana, me kawa na me say. The allegations he is perpetrating against Honorable Mustafa are blatant lies. Me wo me campaign manager. Me need to find. Constituency you say me saka sikebia free abemu MPs common fund. Committee meeting sitting sika kakrabo. Me di constituency you okoboa. Me see toilet. Me see school dine. Nana matomo to buy kamon dia ye adwuma. Okada boys bebre wo ho. Omo beji moto free me ho.
Moto na wa no passport asamo.
My yen wo constituency.
Bye bye.
Nana say we need
Keep quiet, Wati.
and sister me jina ha. I think can be bebre. I don't have to come and blow my horns before a great king like you. Nana, Oshania, Honorable Mustafa, 8 years I did war parliament. Misike Nina, medical constituency.
It's not the minimum one.
Minka so moi. Minka so moi. Nana, Adia Papa, where I am, mammy dear. Say me jina ha kase. Wanye bia, I am a big liar. Wanye bi. Nana, T-shirt almost 5,000 pieces contract. Ono na me money for printing. Me bia me o constituency obi a. Esen say me one client no. Bia ono na me friend no. Nana, put the passport abre me say me mboa ona come Mecca. Me tuan crofo school fees. E o constituency ho. Omo mbeba so musu edwuma mu pesika. Dia ne bayale, obi kotu ni bedi, obi koya ameria. Nana sa die we nyina ono abo omo de ba me na ase a. Me hwehwe me kwa koye ho edwuma. Obi tu ni bedi me won cry. Meeting wo ho cry bi wo wa. Se nya oni nipa ni tienti nana esese wo ko.
Yeah.
Inti anaju kra nana yetika mu etwi esan aba cry. Wo di passport abre me. Nana ene so bi be ko Mecca. Almost $7,000.
Eye Mecca.
Eye Mecca.
Sir.
Me ko fane he.
Omukona meba afibia omukono.
Yes.
7,000.
Yes.
Ana no opeso okone sen.
Opeso okọ Mecca.
Free ana so obetu.
Se nya menini tie mi ntumi nka se me mmoa no. Nti mi ye se mekwa ko hu hashboard na ma lobby. Oh, ti mi lobby ana nka ye de na ka protocol ho. Na me boni nyina ne se me lose election. Me lose election na ma ye transition documents na afra ne passport no. Onsi abotre na me hwehwe ma no nso debi. Nti na mi aga sa asem ne ye me ya mpo se ye de aba mpanyifu anim se. Esa so you obi a me ni gine ho pa. Nti na se passport na ira me se mema 100 Ghana. Kona koto forms na filibre me na me ye former MP. Me call passport office obi abema me kwan. Ama me de wodie na kotum. Asre se omo ye ne ntem na me ni nipa no tu kwan. Wanye. Me nti wonka dia na police ya di na frɛ me se wo di masema ba ho. Police station also na me ana me renovation wo. Inti feri inti asa omuntumi mpo entwe me emegina asem na no. Eni se odi abe asem no abedan mu yi una.
Yo panyimfo madama yesempa o.
Chairman. Me ba cho bebre. O ka say onkoto passport form 100 Ghana. Ba cho the man no anto.
Nana. Mesre.
I
feel ni pa.
Question will be say ya no me jam.
Man.
And to me I'm fan tam.
And one
no. We can say message this kind of mobile money.
Former member of parliament. Ba cho e dey asem the buy inti a. We fee here went to me man 100.
Nice one.
Thank you.
It's a nice line.
Iri campaign e ka ba. Oji wa enje. Bank for atwen. Constituency for a wa show omo bo e twem. Nti nana e ya na me phone screen no na me dundum no. Na Mustafa oni mi fie, Aziz oni mi fie. Oni mi fie, o frɛ me na ma, oni mi yere. O ba fie ma ye tum sa bibi.
The passport.
Ni hwe wanim se wo bebe fie. Abehu mi se honorable. Asema o kan ye no. Ase ore ye efi. Nipa de arefie wo ye ho nana.
Nti agosa fatika enfaka emra. Na goba
Me man no lorry fair.
Oh, yeah, there sir.
Me man no lorry fair. Na no ba mi ho bia onim de me ye.
Do you show?
O mo boshe, o mo fa ho mo boshe. MPs.
Na no me ko ho. But the gate ho no. Sign post kakraka e bo ho no. The well of dogs. Kraman kakraka mo won fie ho no. Untimi wura ho.
Na so also
losing election no. One back eja dem constituency pobium. So Obadiah say ya boano man. Wa 2 terms. Third term no lusu. Me passport no me sanka 100 seed no so be ban me sanka. Wallahi I have to get that money.
Wallahi ni jamdu hana ya money wallahi ni fa.
Abusu apanyi say
menina wi ba misa isifu. Misa isifu ba. Isifu. Obi ka so becha wade anabema wade na so fa ma wa. Se won tumi ka se wo kwaje ade kro no na akwa kwaje ade.
Enye ka.
Be ba cho o ka so be ma 100 Ghana cedis. Na wo dia koto. On fa ma wa. Na wa try na wunya. E de nkwan pa na wo ho. Wa dwen kire wo sen. Se wankasa wo di wo ko high goro boys na obi na nko passport ma na be twa bo to no so. Am say interest ka ka ho. Ade eno ne atro book be mu.
It's a promise.
Honorable Macho.
Passport no na me de 2 coin e ko maka ni bi. O se passport na yira.
Waka
Time no so e ko. Me nua bi so wa amana no be bi. O pese on fa me ko. Nti me hia me passport no ade akọ 2 coin no. Me friend na me sanka no. Me qualify also a sign word kakra na eda ho no.
Beware of dogs.
Beware of dogs. Mrofo krama ni bi. Aha. Inti me so me hia me passport. Kwan ya me fa so me sanka me passport na me tumi kwan na me ye.
Okay. Inti ne na opentem because who knew say odo be kwa brochi. Na ada na wonya nko ya ogusutia.
Me be ji me sika emre ne so yentia.
Na mra no so say ogusu wa hand time anka wotwan ya tanka wo be hu na nka wa ji 100 no.
Passport ya go track rank ameto ta man.
Enti sanse me ka say kono to monti won. Me di won be shoot me.
Na mo for opposition man no go ada mo opposition mo to mo gba so. They say a different party now.
What in there? What one?
Hey!
Papa.
Marie Manoto.
Me das. Busu apanyi ni bebam na ansa na obebam mi mu so asem. Also passport no ye ni sikase Ghana sikase.
2000 Ghana cedi. Kanisika no 20 million.
Na wo de enho na ye ma wo passport office ankasa.
Me das. Ba cho me call passport officer. We call passport officer no. Ebi mu wa bonti am from Goro boys. Na me pay me passport no express. Inti express na me de man no mo charge me 20 million. And me de man.
Inti ya de na wonya honorable catch and say afei de wonya ne phone so nti ade na ebuo no yesi makoye bi ebuo no yesi.
Me tro krata akọ na office.
Na unim se krata atworo etimi kọ na office ana wuko ni fie se bulldog nti
Ochami afede uto woni kwa brama adam na wo ye derogation
20 million de krata na kodru office na 100 cedis emma ayem
enu nya wase na wo woni akonya afa na ba lawyer
no ye but ohun ye but 20 million ko ho no ono de ohun ye
Letter no could di. MP no 2 million.
Papa, you want some kind
office on the floor and I letter akoto. It MP na friend me say, "O campaign manager won we nim gwase. O campaign manager say we dey cut 20 million." Nana, we come nim as say wo. Nipa o 2 million.
Ina me bu ori ma say.
Abrante yedi. Meba. Passporting. Na honorable also fa himbra no nya foforo.
On kasa me fa bibimbra. Also ono mo mbe send me 100 cedi. Na ma top passport form.
Na one fan send.
One send it. Me friend mpo a on fa.
Ya
enko.
Oh, what otitifu bi ani ayeta. Na oye dan sika na inyan na edukro goyo boys what oyani.
20 million.
No na bone not about one.
Also be me 1 million.
Ebe yankri so.
Anu waja one what dey akoyi 20 abesina akoye meboa.
1 million e passport form. And obetua sika wo passport office or answer na osan ka passport no.
Dey na ama wala peto na hota mensemina. Dey na okay no no one famban. Afa them 1 million akama na wanye. Ne to be Kenya 20 million
e dey coin. You want to impersonate him?
Also already 1 million o man.
Na me odi ban we nya pa ma.
Impersonate him.
Nana ya refi.
Wa ba ko, but I won't 20.
No.
20 na fa.
29 is good. Naniska.
O dey.
29 is good. No, I'm to get them what to scare yet. I'm to no buy him no buy him.
Passport. Me pa. Hey, what na say? Eh, character.
Na any dem 20.
Information.
Dey dey be dey.
O ma tina se wo o mu kuro mu ho. O so wo ma ho. Enti obeku nan mu ase.
Be ma tia me. Wada o ma. Ase mo enya fufuro. Just am kwasa da fufuro bi ama wi ase bio. Ya tia. Na honorable for the yin come dey faso. Na we be futu kese ama mo. Se fe mo kura ni pa bie mo ehun se wo te ka so roti ahonjo. E mo wi die mu a. Juma mo di ya no. Mo di woru mochi. Ni akwahwe mo nkwase ahwe. Mo yare nkwase ayade. Mo nkwase ewuo. Me di nkwase ahwe ho. Mo fu nkwase aka. Tu nkwase America. Ko nkwase yie. Ko we nkwase asa ko bon nkwase aka.
Ni se mo nkwase ewu.
Emu ya. Omu jina mo ko hwedwom da bia.
Nana, wadama, kwenti o kasa, bebi a o kasa kono, ama nyofo mpanyimfo na o kasa.
Nti nana.
Eye pasa abasa ye futu mo. Wudu se ono. Onye visa. Odada. Na do ira ko shemu. No do sesifo. Futu obi anu ache de wa hunu. Why you have a passport? Passport no. Why you be na say wo de na ya na. E data no abetra sana ye fufura mo. Uko so affidavit. Yesi ko hin. Ni emfa ko nya sa pa data number no. Asana ye fufura, ti result ya ko ye fufura nti na wo be ye fufura. E ho sam do so. Wa we nyewe no ma na yira. Mperifo se ma abra no adi so e di suma. Ye ti ha enye boni, ye data mo epe. Ye je wu ha ye ka na no sia. E ti wan tuma nya ama no. Bro ni si penalty. Ye woni ma bi oga na ha receipt na so ka mejitu. We ko ayefo.
Nana 20 million.
Extra
receipt ni.
Me see that receipt na so
passport office.
Wan tuma nya ama no tie. Wan tuma nya ama no. E so ajim kumani mu.
Men kamedi. What's men kamedi o kasa o.
O ma me kasa bio.
Pacho.
E ka se ni ko de bana ka wudi na chire bia. O mo sikana ne yoko wo sigasa.
O tene.
Na ngwana wa so hwan.
Nana, ne ho ne ye washi. Ajima kasa.
Abrante. Wansam ebetwa be ma no onye ntwa odupie toko.
Ready, odoje.
Janwa. Mo si kono koji.
Wonye bia mo.
Wonye bia mo asa. Jambo ko. Na ko ne ko ye ne passport e ma no.
Akonya ya.
Ne se wo kwa kote mo ati.
Sa face ka koto.
First case so ma no sa fa ko so wa frɛ wa once am first case so sa ama no. Ye ka kire wo am wati ase.
Therefore.
First case ma no.
Nana.
Share 20 million.
Oh bien. Krachi Yusufu.
Na. Yusuf Abdulaziz.
Abdulaziz. Honorable Wadama. Yahimfi ayedi asem to me so. Intina sabi bi wo ha wutimi tika sabi ayi be wie no wanya asem ne pomasibre. Ye jaw se fa ko ba bi obi antimi nnim ma oje se ha. Therefore eba ne se ya sabi na akoye na sum prekesen sanse ne mpanyimfo ne keka bom. Unsa me kula me nyina fa ako. Papa iba ono nso gina fa ako, we nso nyina fa ako. Ti ye ne no ko. Yekuti di abrewa beka.
Asema na ikam.
Open ye ka.
Dia na uoka.
Yekuti
kana na upi aka na epe aka.
Therefore ko mo akotie di abrewa beka. O tie bia. Na na tie bia.
Ona mo fodi bia yo.
Ona mo foro. Odu won.
Oh sorry o.
Ebi mo ho odu won chi a woni mo bu ase.
I fear cut. I fear cut. You better was some mama. I fear cut. I fear cut. I fear cut. Penny name for the beer to me by fear cut. I fear cut. I fear cut. You better was some mama.
The beer or brantem.
I fear cut.
One man here, this is my maka. Why you have a passport? 100 Ghana cedis go to my mama. Make am see mobile protocol. Protocol. No go passport dem for me.
Nana nom panyimfo amohia. Atitu ne nyansafo. Boase tofo ye kan mutie. Moni bla na se dia beba moni. Nana no madama. Ye din kan ye cry. Se therefore any abrewa. Kodi nkomo de abrewa beti egu na so no. Eno ana ode betudwa. Ye ha de ye se eyahimfie court. Ye di asam no tumi so ntina jata eni ya hyen so de. Ye nhyeda mfa mla na nkasa enyina so chinchina atwan. Nti madama ye therefore bekana eno ne ade bi.
Tie. Some beto passport asem.
Zio.
But atra
Zio.
make a second
Zio.
Your first name?
Yusuf
Abdulaziz.
Zio.
Parliamentarians, na ya mo home.
Zio.
Me ba school fees. Now they go.
Zio.
Me mama yare. Now they go.
Zio.
Meka. Now they go.
Zio.
Be le no mu lusu a. Yenti beware of dogs.
Zio.
For we fesua yansa. Ewum se wa ye dwuma man.
Zio.
Nya ono nko wo ye odwuma e your mind no na wo ye odwuma man.
Zio.
Na wo. Who's your first name?
Honorable Mustafa Bempa.
You are not honorable.
Zio.
Extremely dishonorable.
Zio.
So Bia, why ye adwuma ma wo? And with the power. 2 terms.
Zio.
Or the passport amount say ya dear man.
Zio.
Who really put me.
Zio.
Ren fikeke was ayira no.
Zio.
What's the bo? Say obet sika man no. Am I for any so a. Well dodge.
Zio.
Na we na power in brain.
Zio.
Say we be power until they want to me here kra na waka.
Zio.
Nti ono so na me wu a na waba. Na
Zio.
so di so.
Zio.
Evil cycle we call it.
Zio.
Your passport office
Zio.
that is recognized by the nation.
Zio.
Ye Negoro Boys Department.
Zio.
Under normal circumstances, some catch us say what boka.
Zio.
But what's me blame you?
Zio.
And I hope say me no.
Zio.
Sure be if we mo.
Zio.
The 2,000 no.
Zio.
Wo which 1,000 wo mama no.
Zio. Tie.
Nana o tia 7,000. Na mani tio 2,000 ni na.
Na kasa me so.
Mani tio 2,000 ni na.
O kaso.
E bi so kaso adibu wonu necessary. Ni je fi o kumi se o to see ti kai.
Ana kasa.
Dem ka mo tia se. E so tio 2,000 me mo amba cheka za.
Ana kasa. O se enya ne ka. O fa pa so na.
Wo be tia 2,000 wo.
Zio.
What?
Zio.
Wo so. Wo be 4,000 ka.
Zio.
Because mo mi nyina.
Zio.
I am from so.
Zio.
Mate ma say.
Zio.
Na wie.
Tie. Yo, Krache. Sabe ya himfi ade, therefore we are yesi sumple. Penyimfo no de otu obia no no otu ne boase kasa. Sanse wono no wi ana bibia awie. Ni o se ne se Krachi ni no kwasem. Baby a ofa ya odi konya ne passport no. Aban mra mu kura no. Ko wose ya chini ya mana chechira ne ya Chigulu boys ni nyina se de be o mefuru amakwan nan de. Adam tie no fa baby kura nka wono abo na aboa no. Abo aban am ya tima chenkrofo bi nyame wo de oye. Na sebe wakoye ohun nipa o mpesu ya so. Wabo apen ebi a china besa akogina ono ana besa akokrokro na nanu baabi ntokwa omukumya na omafa yonko enti mu koyi so won pesa mu ntembe tinti nika 2,000 fa mu 1,000 ni tuya mano nye tinti tuya ne fa mano na afi wan kasanso wanya de sanse mu kofield na mu koye campaign na ensem a mu ntimi na mu ye wani so ni ta ka 1 million 100 cedis nkenye osika nanso oboshe na sebe wanu asem na akokan okan da bi enti anu ni wani nguase ofie hane so te se Krachi ni wodi watem me kura me ka so ofuru blem se nkate obi foforo opin bi ehemu a wanka papa mi jana epia obeto no uru be busa te so be sa kwa no de election ti wasrew enche sa aboni biu wo hyanso ana wudi so na nkogu todo ne nase tu be 20,000 Yusufu said ye therefore kind on the cano obe bomuka cities empem edu 1,000 cities continue na ko we woni your friend say na kwasi ajima na ko mo hwese obenya 2,000 ni nyina sanse fia ye mpem kwasi ebu ye di tunyi ne di asem and so ube from 1,000 na enene nkwaya aka koso ablo ho ase nipa wu anu ase sama na ni da so ni wo man na wo de na ba he e kire yonko bi e kine bi na kopie ba bi ti enene nkwaya aka je 1,000 no na fatu ka ni su bi e kire mun san fa yonko ne hekwan ya be fa so am be komani unso enye nkrama bi se de na na kan wate fa krama nko fie bi wate yo nana no madama
I fear cotton. You better was some mama. I fear cotton. I fear cotton. Penny never for the be to me by fear cotton. I fear cotton. But you better was some mama. I fear cotton. Penny never for the be to me by fear cotton.
Any casati. Say no. Six casati.
Obisi so Obisi so kwa show
2020 ne be sai campaign wo de edu a be kasa asem ne
antina yenko ka it begin Obisi kan no on the mama ni check 2 weeks no go
ni talk ni
I feel caught. You better was some mama. I feel caught. I feel caught. I feel caught. Penny never for the be to me by I feel caught. I feel caught. I feel caught. You better was some mama. I feel caught. I feel caught. I feel caught. Penny never for the be to me by I feel caught. Te apo, can't te hono. In him be how they wanna. In my mama and tea and tetanasi. It's one of us, Mano. I should have only, I don't know. A bit for to me, you're not quite. Yancy, I was here if you're sometime. And I'm a drama, and I'm a gamma. I feel caught. I feel caught. You better was some mama. I feel caught. I feel caught. I feel caught. Penny never for the be to me by I feel caught. I feel caught. I feel caught. You better was some mama. I feel